does size matter? Age-old question, right? I have no idea. I realized based on some analytics, most people I know don't watch more than 3 seconds of my video. People that don't know me watch more. I'm Sumner. Today we're gonna unbox the Aero Press Go. I used to hate, despise the Aero Press, never brewed with it because it was too small. I could never get 1 cup of coffee. Well, you get 1 cup of coffee out of it, but I could never get a real cup of coffee out of it. Not from a taste perspective, but just a volume. I'd always have to do 2. It was kind of cumbersome. I wasn't really feeling it. Then I started traveling. Love the Aero Press. I'm on Team Aero Press now. You know, there's Aero Press competitions. Any aficionado, any coffee lover has an Aero Press in their house, guaranteed. That's a fact. I'm gonna play that back for you. Every coffee lover has an Aero Press in their house. That is a fact. So it's been a while since we've had an update to this. This one's a little bit older. I don't know when it came out, kind of the original one. This one might be BPA free, I don't know. Again, Aero Press brand. We also got that bellow adapter. This thing is a pain. Sometimes you have to sand this down to fit in here to get that espresso crema-like finish. And then now we have the Aero Press Go. Oh, I haven't. This is an unboxing, so I didn't bring a knife. Dang it. In my last video, which no one's seen yet because it's me working on a roaster, my fingernails are really gross, so I cut them and now they're too short. Okay, what do we have? Oh, wow. Already, I should have looked at the box first. Everything you need fits inside. Delicious coffee anywhere, work, travel, outdoors, all places you can't go right now because of COVID. But if you could, take the Aero Press Go. 3 easy steps, delicious coffee. Add coffee and water. Stir the brew. Press the coffee into the mug. Legit. Oh my gosh, I brought a mug here. I didn't even know this thing had a mug for this video. Did not know. All right. Oh, okay. We have some micro filters. Packaging is way slicker than the current Aero Press packaging. So what do we have? There is a lot. Oh my gosh, instructions. Do not have that Web 2.0 feel. I mean, they have 3 colors, red, black, and blue. But for how much people geek out over the Aero Press, this is pretty disappointing. All right, so push the plunger out of the chamber. We're not gonna wash this thing, we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so push it out. Oh, that feels so smooth though. Like in compare, oh, that one's pretty, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this one's like super hard. That feels like butter though. That, I don't know if you can see the difference, but there's a real big difference. That just feels real slick. Okay, so push plunger out of chamber. Okay. Put filter in filter cap. So we have are they the same size? Please be the same size. Same size. Twist filter cap onto chamber. Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to pull this out all the way. We're not doing inverted apparently. All right. So put in, twist there, twist filter cap on the chamber. Getting ahead of myself. Sand chamber and mug and put 1 rounded scoop of fine coffee grounds in the chamber. Ooh, I don't know if I can rock that. We'll follow the directions, but I do want to know how much you're telling me to do. Okay, so this is 18 grams of coffee right here. Oh, this would drive me crazy. Okay, so that's one scoop right there. That's 13 grams of coffee. All right, cool. Shake to level coffee. Stand chamber in the mug. Put 1 rounded scoop of the drip grind in chamber. Shake to level coffee. All right, cool. Where's this camera? We level. All right. 0 to scale. 6. Add water. Ooh. 175. Add water up to the 1 in the chamber. We're gonna, I mean, really though, if you're on the road, it's really hard to actually find hot water. I'm gonna run with this 206 because I'm not about to cool off my water for this. Let's just run it up to the 1. So like the middle of the 1? up to the 1. What does that mean? Like, I mean, we'll just put it in the middle of the 1 because there's some bloom on that. All right. Stir about 10 seconds for hot brewing or 1 minute for cold brewing. Oh, room temperature for cold brew. I didn't know you could do cold brew on this. All right, cool. So we have, this looks like a little like kid switchblade or something. That's cute. Okay. Oh, we were at 40 seconds. That's it? Wait. American style, add water up to 8 ounces. All right, well, we're like running way over on time right now. I brought a second mug to apparently hold this. I don't know what we do with that. We have this here. So we're gonna go like that. We're scale out of the way. Push until we feel resistance. Okay. Take this off. All right, now we're gonna have a puck in here. So that's a really nice puck. Like, it's gonna be crazy hot, but like, look at that puck. For real though, that grind was money. Freaking really hot. All right, what is this for? Oh, dope, look at this. Hold on. Because it's always, wait. Oh, I don't know where this goes actually. So that goes there to cover that up when we're going with that. I think there's like knobs. I don't know, let's give this a little go. Oh my gosh, I was so skeptical. That bangs. Like, that is so good. Got some end of life Delano's coffee roasters. Never ran a natural through an AeroPress before. I have not lived. This is amazing. So if you have a regular AeroPress, would I run out and buy the new Aero Press Go? I would, because I did. Well, I didn't run out, it's been out for a minute. But I like this for backpacking, just keeping in your car in case you ever have a coffee emergency on the side of the road. Look, I brought this big spoon because I didn't know I had one of these. I do think, let's look at the filters. This is one thing where I think they messed up. So I have gone through so many AeroPress filters, not from using them, from spilling them. Like, I have this thing. I don't know if you can tell, but some of these are actually like water damage. That's absorbed water. I still use them or whatever. But when I travel with AeroPress, I'll just tuck them in on this side of the plunger so they don't get wet. But they don't really have a good way for you to travel with your filters, which is kind of a miss. I don't know what this thing's for. We gotta figure this out. Oh, it goes on here? I'm trying to find my language, but even the language, I don't know what's going on with this. All right. It is, this is a filter holder? Not. Oh my gosh. Rewind everything I just, oh, are you kidding me? This is like AeroPress. Like, I feel like I'm gonna put something, like, how you look. Ugh! It's really hard to open. It's kind of gimmicky actually. But you open this up and it's like, oh, I don't mind if I do. It is crazy hot in here because I don't have AC. And it's like 90,000 degrees outside because everything's burning. That's kind of gross, sorry. It's like, they're not oil strips. But that is brilliant. Like, this alone, I would buy this for. Okay, AeroPress Go. You did have a thing for filters. We figured out what this was for. Have this, have the top here. Everything fits inside the mug. We were supposed to brew this at 175. We brewed it at 205. Didn't preheat the mug. 1 full scoop of coffee came out to 13 grams. We ran it up to the 1. It's supposed to be 10 seconds. Stir it. We got distracted. Did it minute 10. Pushed that through. Clean puck, clean break. This for real might be one of the best AeroPresses I've ever made. So there you have it. Go out and get an Aero Press Go. If not, probably a good gift for the holidays. I don't have a good thing with my hands. I don't want to put my hands to sign off like. Alright, bye guys.